Hi everyone! Welcome back to the English Talk Show. My name is Emma, and today I've brought you another great and important lesson. We're going to talk about leisure time, one of the most relaxing and enjoyable topics to discuss in English. After watching this video, I'm pretty sure you'll gain more confidence when talking about leisure time in English. I've divided it into 3 simple parts so it's easy to follow. In part 1, we'll look at all the important words and phrases you need. I'll explain their meanings and give examples so you can start using them right away. In part 2, I'll show you how I spend my leisure time, using the words and phrases from part 1. This will help you see how to naturally talk about your own free time in English. And in part 3, it's your time to shine. You'll get a chance to pause the video and practice speaking about your own leisure time. Just a minute or 2 is enough, and then you can comment below to share your ideas. I'll make sure to get back to you. I'm also planning to make this a series where we'll explore different aspects of leisure time in more detail in future videos. We'll take things one step at a time because I want all of you to understand and get the most out of this lesson, no matter your level of English. So make sure to stay until the end. It's going to be super useful for you. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. It really helps the channel grow and lets me bring you more useful English lessons every week. All right, let's look at some of the words and phrases that are really important and that we simply can't forget when talking about leisure time in English. First up is unwind. This means to relax and release stress after being busy or tired. For example, after a long day at work, I usually watch a movie to unwind. Next, we have chill out. This means to relax and do nothing stressful. On weekends, I just like to chill out at home and listen to music. Take it easy means to rest or not do anything that requires effort. For example, I'm planning to take it easy this Sunday. No work, no plans. Get into something is another phrase we use. This means to like or be interested in a particular activity or hobby. For example, I'm really into photography and hiking during my leisure time. Recharge my batteries means to rest and regain energy. For example, a short weekend getaway helps me recharge my batteries. Indulge in something means to allow yourself to enjoy something you like, often as a treat. For example, I sometimes indulge in a good cup of coffee and a book on my day off. And finally, get away from it all. This means to take a break from your routine or escape stress. For example, sometimes I just need to get away from it all and go to the beach. Now, let me tell you how I usually spend my leisure time using some of the words and phrases we just learned. After a long week of work, I always try to unwind by watching a good movie or reading something inspiring. Sometimes I just chill out with a cup of tea and some relaxing music. It really helps me feel calm. On Sundays, I like to take it easy and spend some quality time with my family. We often go for a picnic or just cook together at home. I'm really into photography, so I usually take my camera with me and capture some nice moments. Whenever I feel tired or stressed, I make sure to do something that helps me recharge my batteries, like going for a walk in the park or watching the sunset. And sometimes I just indulge in my favorite dessert while watching my favorite series. Every once in a while, I try to get away from it all by visiting a quiet place near the ocean or taking a short road trip. It gives me peace of mind and makes me feel refreshed. That's how I spend my leisure time, relaxing, recharging, and doing things that make me happy. All right, now it's time for you to practice. Pause the video and talk about how you spend your leisure time. Just take 1 or 2 minutes. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just speak confidently. After that, comment below and tell me how you spend your leisure time. I'll make sure to get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more fun and useful English lessons. See you in another great lesson. Bye for now.